The Dyson V8 Animal Hoover.
Hey guys, this is a Dyson V8 Animal unboxing video. As you can see, I have a gorgeous dog, so we do need the animal. The other thing is, this is almost the top of the model at the moment on the market. You only can buy a better one, the V8 Ultimate. But I really tried to find what is the difference in between them, and I couldn't. But you do have 150 pounds different. So at the moment you can pick this up from the Argos for 349 pounds. We are just after Christmas in a Boxing Day sale. So that's a very good deal, 100 pounds off from the normal price. So I went yesterday and picked it up. The other thing is really, what nobody can tell you, that is very light. So it's really light, even though you need to walk from the shop to the car park, just don't need any extra effort. It's really light. So let's get on with it. Let's open it up. It's nicely packed.
On the packaging, you can see lots of other information, like the red cross highlighting is a cordless free and hassle free hoover, and compared to the V6, that's the most powerful suction yet, shows also that 40 minutes battery life it should have, and lots of technical information from the other side regarding the technology it has been developed. On the other two sides, again, the cord-free function, the 150% more brush bar power, which we tried and is really good. The weight is only 2.3 kilogram when you take off the long bar, so then you can use it actually for your car as well, because there is no cable. It's really handy. And on the other side of the box, they highlighting the Dyson support, which is really good, and you will have 2 years warranty as well. Highly recommend it to register on the Dyson website as well. And also the one-click technology, which is really handy, easy to assemble.
Don't even need the scissors. It's not that easy as I thought it will be. It might be actually opening from this side. Lucky, up! She's very curious as well. Lucky, come on! Up! And stay there. Stay. Yeah, that's... Oh yes, I can see now. You can cut it here and there. Come on, Lucky, come here then. Lie down. Lie down. Yeah. Oh, finally we found a way. Right, so you do have the story of Dyson, lots of booklet. I don't want to bore you with this. That looks real cute. It's very pretty how it's packed. You have these little hands and lots of tools to it, small ones, big ones. Can you see the box? Look at that. It's really pretty. I really like that one. You have little things there, possibly not. Here is the hoover itself. And looks really good. So that's the charging station. But you can put on a wall. You will need a plug underneath to connect the cables, and then it's constantly, when you are putting it on the wall, it's actually charging your hoover as well. It has 40 minutes on charge. I mean, when it's fully charged, you can work with it for 40 minutes without recharging it. Wow, I'm very impressed with this one. The reason why I decided to buy the V8, not the V6, is exactly the system how you empty the dustbin, because on the V6 is really difficult to actually take off all the dirt around the filter. Till with this one, you have that special system when it opens up, something like this, and it automatically opens the bottom door, think, and at the same time cleaning the filter. So it's really just a very few moments and it's actually cleaning itself. I will have to remove all these stickers: high function, extended run, maximum function. So you have little yellow warning stickers everywhere, even here at the pistol part. 20% charge. Oh, so it comes to you with 20% charge fully before use. So it does request to charge it before first use. And here you have another label inside which shows you how to empty the dustbin. So you need to pull that thing up and then push it forward, something like that, and then so that you pull up and push it forward, and then it's supposed to happen. That doesn't happen for me for some reason. I may actually leave this label on. That's supposed to come off. So then, here it is. So that's raising that one up and then just put it back on. Yeah, let's see. There you go. There you go. So that's it. And it's actually all the filter, it should be clean. So that's a big new development from the V6, which is excellent. Because it's quite small tank, so you really don't wanna spend another extra 10 minutes just to clean the filter when you might need to empty it quite frequently while you clean the whole house. So that's really good. Let's see what else we have. Here is the big head. That's really good as well. All the purple with Dyson, you possibly know now, that the purple is always mean the Animal brand. That's what. Here is the cord. We have the cable, which I will attach on the wall later on. If you stay with us, then possibly I will video that as well. And here is the big cord, big tube for the extension cable. Really professional and nicely packed, everything. That's a quite nice touch. I was afraid of if my bin is not gonna look nice or not gonna look professional. I mean, on the Ultimate you can see that's yellow, is like gold, so it's really look pretty on the wall. But this, I have to say, is not just a stupid plastic, what you would think, oh, that's a very cheap thing. It does look really posh, really nice. I actually like it. So there you go, that comes to it, and then the head is very simply to put the whole thing together. It's just a click, and that ball in here, in between the tube and the head, is really really allows you to clean everything very, go to the, Lucky, come up, she loves the vacuum cleaner, come on up and stay there. She loves to play with the vacuum. So look, it literally turned the head in every way. I'm trying to show you in his video. So you can actually show, turn to flat completely, so you can reach in everywhere. She loves it. As soon as I switch it on, the sucking power you can feel. Wow. And I don't know if it shows in the video or not, but this carpet right now is really hairy. So I didn't want to clean it just because I knew I'm gonna do this video. But that's on gorgeously. It's really nicely cleaning it. think that was all. So you possibly will need to hoover it, charge it up really. Look at that. In that 20-second hoovering, we collected that much hair from the carpet. Look at that. And obviously I will need to charge it. So that's absolutely amazing. I will empty the first dirt. So that should, here you go. And the filter and everything seem to be clean. And I actually can put it back on. Lucky. Put it on. There you go. Oh yeah, Lucky, come off. You need to be careful. Still keep hold of above the bin when you push it down, because some dirt is still gonna come off. So let's do it again. So you see, when I push it down, it's still lots of dirt will come off, and then push it back on, and that's it. And as you can see, it's really nice and clean. So we are ready to go again. The filter I tried to show you. I don't need to bother. All the hair, everything came off. And look how much dirt it came out. How to charge, because I haven't seen any video about that. So the charging station obviously will connect into this little hole on the back of the machine. So at the moment till you don't put your charging station on, you need to plug that little thing into this bit, just like this. And obviously you put your plug into the socket, and then you're good to go. Well, that's all my unboxing video. I will do a review as well a little bit later on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're gonna decide on whatever the best for you.
So just to sum up what you seen in the video, what you can find in the box is the main hoover, the V8 Animal, plus the long tube with 4 heads, including also the wall stand with a charging cable. Thank you for watching, and please leave your comment. I'm really curious, how did you like it, or which hoover you will choose. Bye now.